Kimo ko coffee today because there's no Starbucks here. So, butangan sana ito nag-water. Kamay lang. Then you close it. Close your water bean. And then, from Starbucks! Actually, dugay na ni siya na ako. And then, ayun lang, dugay siya na kurot. Was given by, who gave this to me? I forgot. Alright, then we'll just use this one, a half. Actually, na ako'y a whole. Pero, gamay akong buhaton man, so I'll just use this one. So, let's pour some coffee here. Na ako'y scooper sa coffee, kaso lang ambot ug asa gibutang. O, diba? The coffee granules is so perfectly fine. O, diba? Alright, that's fine na. Kaya mo rin. Ako rin mo sigag mataan niya. Today's Sunday. So, after that, actually na ako'y katong pang push niya. Ana, there. Mura na siya i-push. Alright, start na siya good. Then you put it here. Then you lock it here. Ano siya lock? Hold on. Wait, there's more. There. Send you need. No. Wait, there's more. There. And you lock that one, and then you put ani, sumugro na siya. Then the next part, yan after na mag-board ko, wala pa man nag-drop. We turn it on here. Okay. Or not para mag-board siya. There, you know, it's boarded. Diba? Nag-board na siya.